Happy New Year! Welcome to Pattaya Beach here in Koh Lipe Island. Welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year everyone. So this time we are here in Koh Lipe, which is close to Malaysia. This island is close to Malaysia, but this is still part of Thailand. So we are here in Koh Lipe and we just arrived here, and now we are staying here in Daya Resort. But I'm gonna show you today. We just arrived today, and now I'm gonna show you the beach here. Oh my gosh, you will amaze. So this is the here. So this is the place here. This is the resort here in Daya. Connected, not only here, Nani. So we are happy that we are near the beach, and there are many trees here, so it's not really hot because today it is so hot. So this is part of Daya Resort. So we're gonna show you the beach here. We are almost there. So as you can see, the sand is pure white, very white. Here we are. Oh my gosh, so they have restaurant here as well. Oh my gosh. The lady said in the receptionist that they have the free sunbed here, but you have to come here early because you know there are a lot of people. They are using the sunbed. Huh? Okay. We will go there now. Yep. Okay, so hi everyone. This is Pattaya Beach. Look at the color of the water. OMG. OMG, it's green and blue over there. And look how crystal the water is. Wow, as you can see, there are a lot of boats here because this is pier. This beach, the pier is here in Pattaya. So we just stopped, the boat stopped earlier there, over there. We will go there, and you have to pay 200 baht per person for the entrance. So you have to pay 200 baht per person, and it's so hot, you know. That's why many people go to the beach swimming. Look, wait, look how crystal the water. Oh my god. Okay, so now we will go down there. Don't worry, they have a lot of resorts here as well. And look at the people here. So this beach, this island, we just saw this in TikTok, in Facebook, in social media, that the people who are being here, they are, you know, posting in social media that this is the most beautiful beach here in Thailand. The water, the sand is really white. The water is so clear. Here in this side, the water is green, but over there, oh my gosh, when there is sunshine, the sunshine is magical because it turns the water into colorful crystal. Yeah, the sand here is really, wait, look, I'm gonna show you. See, look, see. So they have a nice sand here, very wet, but no one get these small stones here. But it's okay. But if there is no stones here, it might be very, very nice. Plus the white sand, powder sand, and the color of the water. And if you're gonna take the spade boat to go here in this island, you are immediately be in your destination. But be careful, you have to pick when, wow, it's really crystal clear. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Where are we? So you have to pick wisely whether it's sunny or the day it's summer, because don't pick when the weather is not good, because oh my gosh, you will jump on the waves. It's not, OMG. So they have also Bella Beach Resort here. So we are here in Koh Lipe. Always remember that Koh Lipe has one of the nice and beautiful beach in Thailand. So many tourists come here. What are you waiting for? Come here now, because it's summer here. The summer just started. Wow, oh my gosh. See? There are many boats.
Yes, we're going to the pier.
Yeah, we are going to the pier. That's why boats is everywhere, and this beach is on the pier. If you don't like the sun when you're in the beach, you can also stay on the shade because they have a lot of trees here, so you don't have to worry. It's so chill here and calm, you know. Do you know that? In the resort where you want to stay, they will offer anything that involved to the ocean, to the beach, like or diving, snorkeling, things like that. Island trip, you know, if you like the island trip with your friends, bonding with your friends or family, then they are offering also like that. So they have also small bar here, this one. Okay, they have Long Beach here, but
Coconut.
huh? Where? Ah, that one. Sea breeze massage. So here. Okay. Here. So this one, it might be expensive, but it's worth it, you know. This might be nice during night time.
Check it out.
See, did you see that there are many people here who are carrying their luggage because it's a pier. So here you can also order food. So earlier we stopped here. Ay!
Okay.
Charming. They have also the something. Wow. They have monkey bar, but it's closed. It's only open. It's open every day, but starting from 4 to 2 a.m. Oh my Koh Lipe. Wow! It's perfect. The water is perfect. See? This is their boat for Thai people. They have nice boat. Look, the passengers are waiting. They might be going to another island. It's a little bit noisy here because many people. So when you come here, you will not be regret on coming here because it's worth it. The water, the sand, everything. But there is no McDo here, huh? Fast food, nothing. This is just for. This is the walking street. Welcome to Koh Lipe walking street. 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. Okay. It might be nice during nighttime here because look, they have many lights. So this one that you see, this is food. This is food for the people. They import food here. So now they are preparing some of the restaurant here beside the beach is preparing for wow, it's really nice. So they have this one immigration state checkpoint. gasoline here. Ah, because of the boat. See many people. Wow, it's a beautiful day to be with you. What a beautiful day to be with you. Wow. So this is one of the beach here in Koh Lipe. Very nice. The sand, it's so soft when you walk on it. Look, I'm gonna show you where they do snorkeling. Here. Huh? Yeah, not there. Yeah, I see.
What's up there?
Wow, baby, it's so nice. Wow. So nice. Thank you for watching. Sawadee ka.